Please excuse my accent, but English is my second language. I'm so blue. Dear Nigerian friends, dear Victor, I'm so blue. I'm nobody. I'm just a Neapolitan musician who decided to move to New York to follow his dreams. I don't have blue blood because my family wasn't rich. My blood is azzurro, like the color of my favorite team. But I'm also blue because I learned that blue means sad in most parts of the world. I strongly condemn the action of the official Napoli TikTok account. I understand the platform and its rules of nonsense and irony, but it wasn't the right time to use it, putting Osimhen under the spotlight. The coconut video was unfunny and inappropriate, and I can promise you it was posted out of ignorance. The penalty video was also unfunny and inappropriate, especially since that penalty was crucial for Victor and the whole team. Osimhen complained publicly with the coach about his substitution. We didn't win the game, and that made everyone tense and nervous. Yes, we did make fun of many other players of our roster, just like many other TikTok accounts make fun of their players. But it wasn't the right time to do it. Many Napoli's fans are offended by Osimhen's behavior, deleting almost every picture with Napoli jersey from his Instagram account. And many Nigerian fans are offended by Napoli's behavior and by the weak official statement about the whole situation. I hope Victor can come forward and talk publicly to his people, Nigerians and Neapolitans together. He said recently that the city of Naples should be a country, not even a city, because we are so unique, different, and diverse in so many ways. Extremely inclusive and loving with our heroes. And Napoli's actions, the team, don't reflect the idea of Neapolitans. But we can also be very touchy, just like him, and we are reacting badly against all the Nigerians accusing us of racism on social media. I'm reading disgusting comments from both sides, and it all needs to stop. Napoli can be better than this. I don't think that the soccer team management fully understood the gravity of the matter, and hopefully the statement of Nigeria's sport minister will make them realize we need to come together and release the tension between the player, the supporters, the team. United, we can overcome misunderstandings, so we can all be blue just for the color of our jersey. To Victor, I personally apologize. To all the Nigerian supporters, I hear you, I hear your anger, and I could never fully understand how you feel right now. Please understand we made an honest mistake. To all my fellow Neapolitans, I miss you. Remember how everyone tries to offend us, and they say it's just fun and games. Nobody can decide what's offensive for other people.